Friends, welcome to Charged Minds. In this video, I will tell you what are Roman numbers. So the basic Roman numbers are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. So I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, and M is equal to 1000.
One more zero. Yes. So these are the basic characters which are used to represent Roman number. Like Medank has told you, I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, and D for 500, and M for 1000. So these are just total 7 different characters in which you can summarize the Roman numbers. So now let's practice while doing some questions. We will understand how to use these Roman numbers. So first number is IV. Madam, can you solve it?
Yes. So now I will tell you one simple rule, that if a smaller number comes before a greater number, then both are subtracted. So this is V means 5 and I means 1. So answer will come 4.
So a very important rule while writing Roman number is, if the first digit is smaller than the second digit, here you can see I is smaller than V, so we need to take the difference of these two digits, that is 5 minus 1. So 4 is written as 5 minus 1. Now next question is, suppose IX. Medank?
So the answer will come simply 9.
Again the answer which is 9 is derived from the same rule, like the previous number is smaller than the subsequent number. So this is 9 is written after we are subtracting 1 from 10. Next, now the number is XXIV.
So the second rule is that if both numbers are equal or a smaller number comes after a greater number, they both will be added. So X and X is 20, so 2 here, and IV is 4, so answer is 24.
How do we solve this? Meaning of X is 10 being added with another X, that is 10, being added with IV, and IV is 4, so it becomes 24. Now the next question which we are attempting is C, C, L and I.
So CC is equal to 200, so 2 here, and LI is equal to 51, so 200, so 251.
We will apply same rule here. C is 100 plus again next C is 100, then L is 50 and I is 1, which sums to 251. Now the another number which we are trying is CDIX.
So first CD will come 400, then IX 409. The answer will come.
So how do we solve it? See, again, if we know the first rule, what was the first rule? Any smaller number is being followed by a greater number. So it will be the difference of these two numbers. What is the 500 minus what will be C? 100. It will come to 400. Then these two numbers are taken together because again smaller number is being followed by bigger number. So if we solve it, it will be 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. So it is 400 plus 9, that comes to 409. Now one more question. M, C, C and X. How do we solve this, Vedant?
MM means 2000 and CC means 200. So 2200. Actually, I am wrong. So here's X also. So 2210.
Correct. If we break this number, M will be 1000 plus next M will be 1000 plus C will be 100 plus next C will be 100 plus X will be 10. So if you sum all these numbers, it will come to 2210. Now let's understand how we convert a simple number or Hindi Arabic number or international number to Roman numbers. Let's try with the first example, 3. Madam?
There is also another rule that is no Roman number can be written more than 3 times. So now I will write I, and that's the answer.
So in Roman numbers there are 7 different characters, and one important next rule is we can use any character in continuity for maximum 3 times. No character can be written in continuity for more than 3, that is 4 or 5 times. So 3 will be written. How we wrote 3? We can break 3 as 1 plus 1 plus 1. For 1 we have written I, then for next one we have written I, and third one again I. So 3 is equal to 3I. Now the next number is 47.
So you may be wondering, how do we write 40? So 40 means XL and 7 means VII.
Again, to solve this, we need to break this number. We can write 47 as 40 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Now, how do we write 40? We can write 40 by like 50 minus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So how do we write 50 minus 10? 50 minus 10. So we will write smaller number before bigger number. And what is smaller number? For 10, this is X. So it will be XL. Then 5 will be written as V, and 1 will be written as 2I. The next number is 1231.
So we will write 1000 M, 200 cc and 30 x x x, and you will write 1 I.
Again, for this number, we'll break it like 1000 plus 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. For 1000 we can write M. For next 100 we can write C, 100 C, then another 10 X, then another 10X and another 10X, and for 1 we can write I. So this is the answer. So there is one very important fact about Roman numbers is Roman number do not have any character for 0. Okay, and I hope that you know that 0 was invented or discovered by Indian scholar. Okay, so 0 we cannot represent in Roman number.
So that's it for today, but still I have a question for you. Can you tell me what is the biggest Roman number that you can write? Thanks for watching.